Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 Yukon. Peace of mind comes standard with GMC's powertrain warranty and Yukon's 5-star frontal crash test rating. Boasting a Vortec 5.3-liter V8 with active fuel management, flex fuel, Yukon is agile and capable. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: trailer brake controller, 4-wheel drive, dual pane panoramic power sunroof, daytime running lamps, technology package, remote start, keyless start, cruise control, console. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.